Before you buy Nextiva, there are a few key things you need to know, especially if you're comparing it to other top contenders like RingCentral or Zoom. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea if Nextiva is right for your business. First off, Nextiva offers one of the most comprehensive communication platforms out there. But what makes it stand out from its competitors? Well, it offers more than just VoIP phone services. You get integrated solutions like call center software, team collaboration tools, and customer relationship management, CRM, in one package. So if you're looking for an all-in-one tool for your business communications, this could be a game changer. Next thing to keep in mind is scalability. Unlike some of its competitors that only cater to small or large businesses, Nextiva is flexible enough for companies of all sizes. Whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, you'll find the tools you need, and as you grow, Nextiva can grow with you. It's one of the reasons why so many businesses stick with them long term. The third thing to consider is Nextiva's ease of use. While some of the other platforms might overwhelm you with a cluttered dashboard, Nextiva focuses on simplicity and user experience. The interface is intuitive, which means less time spent figuring things out and more time actually using the software to run your business. The fourth thing is pricing. When you look at Nextiva compared to others like RingCentral or 8x8, their pricing is competitive, but it can be a bit higher for the more advanced features. If you're after a full-featured solution, it's worth the investment, but if you're just looking for basic VoIP service, you might want to explore other options first. Keep in mind that what you're paying for is the full suite of services, which can be a major value add for larger businesses needing an all-in-one platform. Next up, the call quality. A major factor when choosing a VoIP provider is call clarity, and Nextiva does well in this area. You'll find the voice quality to be consistent and reliable, even during peak hours. However, depending on your location and internet speed, your experience may vary. But overall, the reliability of Nextiva's network is a strong point when compared to others like Vonage or Uma. The sixth thing you need to know is customer support. Nextiva is known for its top-tier customer service, which is crucial when dealing with any software. With 24/7 support, you're never left in the dark if something goes wrong. Other competitors like RingCentral can have slower response times during peak hours, making Nextiva a standout in terms of customer service. And the seventh thing, integrations. Nextiva works well with a wide range of third-party applications like Salesforce, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Teams. This makes it ideal if you're already using those tools in your business and want seamless integration across platforms. It's more than just a phone system. It's designed to work with your entire tech stack. Now, if all this sounds like a fit for your business, you can actually try out Nextiva completely free. Just click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial with some exclusive benefits. In conclusion, Nextiva is a robust, all-in-one solution that offers everything you need to streamline your business communications. Whether you're looking to improve customer service with call center features or simplify internal communication with collaboration tools, Nextiva has you covered. If you're ready to take the next step and see if it's the right fit for your business, don't forget to click the first link below to grab your free trial and get those extra perks.